So our topic of discussion for today is graphite material and the differences in graphite material, and with that some explanation as to why there's those differences. So in speaking about graphite material, it comes in different grain sizes. There's a finer grade of graphite which has fine grain size, and there is a more coarse grain size. Normally when we run with a more coarse grain size, we have larger electrodes. So the example we show here on the table is a die-cast insert with a large area electrode. Due to the large area that's being burned and the large size of the electrode material contains or maintains capacitance. It builds up an electrical charge, and the graphite acts as a capacitor until saturation point. At the saturation point, it releases that large amount of energy in a burst. As a result, we don't get to the surface finishes that we might want to achieve. For that reason, we use a larger grain size for the electrode material with graphite. Finer grain size would do us no good. We would not achieve the surface finishes that we would hope for. And so, as a result, we can use the larger grain sized graphite for a large electrode. We obtain a good surface finish, and we don't have to pay as much for our graphite material. In addition to the fact that the finer grain in the graphite would cause a large size electrode like this to burn slightly slower. Larger grain size for larger areas when burning with graphite, smaller grain size for smaller areas at about 2 inches square and below, so that we can achieve a better surface finish with that material. So again, not all graphite is created equal. The smaller the area, the finer the graphite, 2 inches and below. Above that, you want to look at a more coarse grain size in the graphite material. You'll save money, you'll have a faster cycle time, and you'll still obtain the results that you're looking for. So that's our discussion on different types of graphite material.